Hello my friends, today we are making a light and fluffy sponge cake that is sure to impress. Let's get started. We will need 5 eggs and it needs to be separated into the yolk part and the white part. Now, separating the eggs properly is key. Make sure no yolk gets into the whites, as even a tiny bit can prevent them from whipping up to the desired stiff peaks. This takes time, but trust me, it is worth it for that soft and cloud-like texture. So in a bowl, whisk the egg yolks with a 1/4 cup of milk and 3 tablespoons of oil until smooth. Then sift in a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and you will mix it until combined. Now for the egg whites, start beating them until they turn frothy like this, then gradually add the 3/8 cup of sugar a little bit at a time. Adding the sugar slowly helps stabilize the meringue, and it ensures a smooth and classy finish. And you want to continue to beat the egg white until the stiff peaks form. Now, once you have the desired consistency with your egg white, you want to gently fold the meringue into the egg yolk mixture. By doing so, you will keep the batter light and airy, and that's the whole purpose of a sponge cake, right? You can see right here by combining it slowly how puffy and airy and light the texture of the batter still is. That is what you're going for, and that will make your sponge cake light and airy. Now pour the batter into a prepared cake pan. I just use some parchment paper to line my baking pan. You can spray it with oil too, whatever you desire. Give it a nice little tap to get any of the air bubbles out. Now place your pan inside a larger baking tray, and you want to fill the baking tray with hot water. So when we bake it, the water will create a steaming effect, and the steaming effect will keep the cake moist while baking. You want to bake it for 30 minutes approximately at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, or until golden brown and springy to the touch. Look at this cake. The color is amazing. The texture looks wonderful. Let it cool first before you cut into this. And my excuse for having more than 2 or 3 slices is the amount of protein content in this cake. So have fun with this. Look at the texture. Enjoy the texture. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope to see you next week. Bye.